Welcome to Easify. Easify's AI can generate replies using the knowledge from your uploaded files. It responds to leads on your behalf, keeping conversations active and helping you engage prospects effortlessly. Click here to go to the AI Replies section. Enter a name for your AI assistant. Add a short description of your assistant. Define your assistant's personality and role description to tailor its interactions. Set a reply delay for your AI assistant to make it feel more natural to the user. Click Save and continue to lock in your settings and move forward with setup. Now that we created an agent, let's teach the bot about your business. First, let's upload files that contains all the important details about your business that is necessary for the bot to interact with the leads. Select Upload Documents. Select one or more PDF files to upload. When you are done uploading all the files, you can click here to start training the AI. If you wish to teach your AI some specific, frequently asked questions, you can do so here. Click here to add a new question and answer. You can set your question and answer here. It doesn't have to be exact. AI will learn from it and adjust the question and answer to match the conversation. When you are done, click here to save. All the custom questions will be here. You can either edit or remove previously added ones, or add more depending on your needs. Now that we are done creating an agent, let's assign a number to the agent to work with. Click here to go to the phone number section. Click here to assign a phone number. From the pop-up, select one or more number that you want to assign to the agent. Click here to confirm the selected numbers. Once you assign a number to the AI, it will automatically respond to any incoming message on your behalf. You can change this anytime in the chat settings. Now let's test the AI. Enter a trial message here. Click Send. If you want to fine-tune this response, click here. Edit the message to match your needs and click on Update Response. Confirm your update. That's all for AI-powered SMS in Easify. Thank you.